Hey everyone, it is Brigie from Boujee, Texas BBQ, and the other day I made this beautiful Texas style brisket. Now this video is actually going to be about this specific brisket's trimmings, how I turned it from this to this. We are definitely going to switch it up today and add some Kansas City flavor. Today I'm using the Oklahoma Joe's Tahoma 900. Now this part is a bit tedious, but it was definitely worth it. We're doing a 2-to-1 ratio of charcoal briquettes to hickory wood chips. Now we're definitely doing this my way, but I'm trying to keep a little bit of Kansas City tradition, so we're definitely using hickory wood. And instead of using a brisket point, we're going to use brisket trimmings. This is also another way to save some money, trim your brisket properly, and not lose out on any money. Alright, enough of the boring stuff. Let's get to cooking. Set your temperature to 225 degrees with the lid open. Remember, this is a charcoal smoker, not a pellet, so we need to let that fire breathe. I've been the most successful letting it preheat for about 20 to 30 minutes. So normally I turn my beef fat trimmings into beef tallow, and I separate the big chunks of trimmings into one bowl and the uneven pieces to another bowl. Now that our smoker is almost up to temp, we're just going to heavily season with this new OKJ Kansas City rub. Just heavily season, add some coarse black pepper to build bark, and mix. Super simple. Now in a disposable pan, repeat the process with the uneven trimming. Now we're going to add our big chunks of trimmings onto the wired grease wrap, and we get to put them on the smoker. Alright, here's the fun part. Smoke them at 225 for 4 hours undisturbed, and that's it. So we're going to leave them alone, let them do their thing, and wait till it's time to wrap. Okay, it's been 4 hours and these things are looking beautiful. Let's get them wrapped. Add the burnt ends to a disposable pan, spray lightly with water, just a water mixture, nothing special, just to help moisten them back up. And then we're going to add about half a stick of butter to each pan. Now this part is optional, but I really did like the way it came out, is to add some extra Kansas City seasoning and get them nice tightly wrapped and back onto the smoker. Still at 225 for another 90 minutes to 2 hours. The end time is really going to depend on how big your burnt ends are, so don't forget about them. Just saying. Allow them to rest for at least 45 minutes, and in the meantime, we can make some Kansas City sweet, thick barbecue sauce. 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of coarse pepper, more Kansas City barbecue rub, 2 tablespoons of apple cider, and you're just going to mix it, let it bubble, mix, and repeat until you get like your desired thickness. It's supposed to be thick and sweet. By now, our burnt ends should be nice and cool, ready to sauce and shred. I hope y'all are ready, because I definitely am. So we're just going to sauce them with that KC barbecue sauce we just made. Just give them a nice toss, just like that. And the uneven trimming should basically melt in your hands as if it was pulled pork. Look how pretty that is. Now you can enjoy them straight like this, or if you keep watching, you can see how I build the most ultimate brisket sandwiches. So I'm adding some warm brioche buns. We're gonna add chop to the bottom. Top it with some burnt end chunks. Now this part is totally optional, but if you're a foodie like me, we're gonna top it with some mac and cheese. Well, that pretty much ends this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to save, like, and subscribe. Till next time guys, enjoy.